BOOX Palma 2 Pro InkSense Plus Bundle, the missing upgrade for focused reading and notes. You probably reach for your phone to read just one article, maybe highlight a quote, maybe jot down a quick note, then 20 minutes disappear. A notification pulls you sideways, your focus fractures without you noticing. It feels normal, but there's a hidden cost. Every distraction resets your brain's rhythm, and that reset quietly drains your energy across the entire day. Not dramatic, just subtle erosion. You tell yourself you're staying informed, staying connected, staying productive, yet your reading feels shallow, and your notes scatter across apps you rarely revisit. You don't need less information. You need a different container for it. What if the real problem was never your discipline, but the device in your hand? Here's what most people don't calculate. When your reading lives on a traditional phone, you trade depth for speed. You skim instead of absorb. You bookmark instead of understand. Over time, that costs you time because you reread things twice. It costs you money because ideas you meant to act on fade away. It costs you mental quiet because your brain never fully settles. And there's a physical side, that slight tension behind your eyes, the tightness at the base of your neck after late night scrolling, the blue glow that follows you into sleep. You promise yourself you'll be more intentional tomorrow, but tomorrow uses the same device. There is a way to keep the portability without inheriting the chaos. And when you realize that, the old setup starts to feel heavier than it looks. This is where BOOX Palma 2 Pro InkSense Plus Bundle enters, and everything changes. It works because it separates stimulation from intention in one pocket-sized device. You get a 6.13-inch Kaleido 3 color e-paper display that reads like paper in sunlight, runs full Android 15, connects with 5G, and supports a pressure-sensitive stylus for real writing, not tapping, writing. Here's what that means in real life. You read Kindle, articles, PDFs, even manga in color without glare. You annotate directly with the InkSense Plus pen. You rearrange notes using built-in AI tools. You expand storage up to 2 terabytes. You freeze distracting apps if needed. One user told me their reading habit doubled because the device lived in their pocket, not their backpack. Before, they scrolled feeds. After, they finished books. And yes, I tested this myself. The refresh is smooth for e-ink. The writing latency is acceptable for quick notes. Wait, that's allowed? It's not a phone replacement. It's something quieter. Let's remove the doubt. Immediate result? Your eyes relax within minutes. Weekly win? You finish what you start reading. Long-term freedom? You stop associating learning with distraction. In testing, Kaleido 3 displays reduce eye strain compared to traditional OLED during extended sessions. 2 users put it simply. Setup was easy, pen performs decently. Another said, I started picking this up instead of my smartphone. That shift matters. Industry reviewers call it one of the first true pocket-sized color e-ink devices with stylus support and 5G. That combination is rare. And unlike closed e-readers, this runs full Android 15 with Google Play access. More flexibility, less friction. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for clarity, 2 for speed, 3 for control. I noticed this after 3 weeks. I reached for it intentionally, not compulsively. Tablets feel louder. Phones feel brighter. This feels deliberate. If you've been waiting for a way to read, write, and think without constant interruption, this is that shift. The deepest benefit isn't the color screen or the stylus, it's reclaiming calm focus in a device that still fits in your pocket. And because this is the full InkSense Plus bundle, you're not adding pieces later. It's complete from day one. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. Take a look. see if it feels like the upgrade you've quietly been looking for. Feels good, doesn't it? For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.